Here at Mitchell Tech, we have a 99% job placement rate for our students after they graduate from Mitchell Tech. We also have lots of different resources available to help our students be that successful college student. Through the Center for Student Success, we offer opportunities for students if they're looking into part-time employment, full-time employment after they graduate, any assistance with life experiences, or even assistance with that education.
My name is Maddie Gutzmer. I'm in the Architectural Design and Building Construction program. I think it's good that we have the 2-year because we learn all the basics and all kind of the book work and that kind of thing, but the real learning comes with experience. Like, you have to get out into the field and you kind of have to figure all your stuff out from there. I chose Mitchell Tech because it had both aspects of the drafting and the building components, and I didn't want to be stuck at a computer. My grandpas on both sides of my family were big builders, and anytime I was with them, that's what we would do. We'd build things, and I always liked it. I'm always going to be learning because I don't think there's been a day here where I'm like, oh, I already knew that. No, you're always learning. I don't think you'll ever get anything 100% down, but there's always something new.
Most of the students' time is used hands-on, about 75% of the time with the labs. We do have some classroom time where we're doing CAD and CAM and those types of things, but the majority of it is in the lab with your hands on the machine, digging in and learning. So Mitchell Tech incorporates the latest technologies to teach our students so that they have what they need when they go to industry.
There are incredible opportunities for students after graduating Mitchell Tech to make those higher incomes. Those opportunities come from having that background within their field and then going into the trade of their choice.
I'm Clay Heimiller. I'm in the Electrical Construction and Maintenance program here at Mitchell Tech. I chose to be an electrician. I tried it out for an internship one day and I just fell in love with it, so I decided to make a career out of it. What really drove me to come here was just instructors. I'd met them previously and I liked them all. They all seemed like great people and good teachers. I had talked to other people that had came here too, and they said the instructors are great and it's just a great program. Working with my hands is really a rewarding thing for me. You can step back, that wow, I did that, it works, it looks good. Just kind of a rewarding feeling. I love it up here. I got people that I can work for close, so it really works out great for me. I really enjoy it here.
Mitchell Tech is the best. If you want the best education for a mechanical career or a construction career, come to Mitchell Tech. We're going to give you that skill that you need.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
You can be your best at Mitchell Tech.